All right, so this next one here is one where they forgot to tell you how to set your clone stamp point. So you're going to choose the clone stamp tool by clicking over here, and you're going to change the brush size to about 380, and the hardness can be 0. And then you'll click next. And then you're going to open up this menu and you're going to choose exclusion. If it's not already set to exclusion, you can change it to exclusion. And then click next. And then right here, you want to make sure that this is turned off. If the checkbox is on, turn that one off. And then click next. Okay, and now we're going to copy this layer. So we're going to do layer via copy. So now we have a second one. And now this is talking about click to the right of the woman's hand to stamp the piece. The problem is they forgot to tell you, press Option. Option brings up these crosshairs. Now, if I click like right by her hand and I let go of my Option key, now notice when I move this, it's going to copy where I was close to. So you have to press the Option key to set where you want to copy from. Like for example, if I grabbed her elbow and I pressed Option and clicked on her elbow, now her elbow is going to be painted around here. If I press Option again and I click over here by her hand, now her hand and part of her face is going to be here. I actually think it probably looks better over here, so I'm going to grab part of her hand in the middle because it's grabbing more of her face. Now what you're going to do is you're going to do like 7 or 8 more times, kind of in a circular pattern around her face. The exclusion blending mode that's happening here, that's what's changing these colors. So I get something kind of like that. And then I'm going to click next. And it's explaining that because the aligned option wasn't checked, that it's going to copy from that same spot. Later on something in a future tutorial, I'll show you when you would want to have that turned on. Now I'm going to click next. And it's explaining again that the blend mode inverted some of the colors, and it depended on what colors were underneath to decide what it would actually blend in. And you can kind of click a couple other areas just to kind of see what else could be done. And that's probably enough. Maybe I'll throw an extra little piece like right there. And then I'm going to click next, and you're done.